Hello everybody and welcome back to Astroneer for another video. Today we are back in the world of Astroneer. Now I will be uploading ARC and everything, so make sure you do subscribe, leave a like and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. So if we come back, so I've been letting this research run for a while, and yeah, it's been going good. As you can see here, we're earning these things. These are really important for things, and it says up here. So we've got 4 minutes until that thing's done, which takes a while. Oh, by the way, if we go into our fabricator, which if we hold Q, we can open it and we can make some stuff. Actually learn, if you do please. So everything costs this, and this is what you're earning for research, and the rate is 100 of them per minute. That's great, isn't it? Smelter requires 500. Oh, I have none of them. Medium printer, I can make that. I can get a vehicle bay. That's not enough. That's not. So boost my, so and all these mod things, yeah, they're nice for things. This is large storage, extra. Oh wow, that's a lot of storage. Medium storage, and that's about it. So everything that is purple is what you have. Everything is purple if you can't buy it. Everything that is grey you can buy, and that's about it. So beacons, work light. That work lights are good for when you go in caves, and trust me, you have to go in caves later. So remember, always learn the tethers, because if you don't learn the tethers, you're dead. So filters, extenders. There's a lot of interesting stuff here. Small solar, small wind turbine. So let's go by starting off. Ooh, how much does this cost? Okay, let's get this. Bam. Oh, that costs 400. Damn. So now, as you can see, if we have learned something, if I can get out, we can unlock it. See, compound, small generator, and haha, see, you can get it now. And compound is for tethers, so we need compound. So as you can see here, so the canister is good for, let's see, give me a sec. Trade platform, fuel condenser, mineral extractor. The mineral extractor is the best thing because it copies what you have. So try and get that early game, because you can have a lot of it. Though it does cost tons, but it's all worth it. So that's why you always get this canister. Vehicle bay. So we need the smelter. Small oxygen tank. Power cells. So as you can see here, we need this smelter, which is 500. So I'll leave that going. So I need to get more. I need to get the research, more research going, because there's tons of research around here. If you don't spawn in an area like this, your only way of getting research is either traveling here in a rover or going underground. That's how we are going to get aluminium, by going underground, and that's expensive. So I'll show you. If I switch it to Alt, so yeah, it changes, and if I go Control, so you need a canister too. So print a canister. I'm making a canister now. Canister on top. So it's always put it on top so you have less, so you have more space. And as you can see there, it's on top. So if I take all this, it should start filling up, right? So, see, look, soil. And it's 4% filled. See, look, add or flatten terrain. So you want to get all the dirt and organic you can. So now if we go Alt, it creates. Now if we go Control, look at that. Do you like that? It's cool, right? And then you've got something here, things. So be careful, because oh wow, I'm not getting any oxygen. So we need to go get some compound. And also, it's a good idea to get multiple research things. And ooh, we got something. And yeah, you get points out of that to learn things. So, let's get a second research thing. Where do we research? Where is thy research? Remember to not run out of oxygen, otherwise you will die. The most important part of Astroneer, do not die. So I'm scanning the terrain for compound, like right over there. Oh, more. Sorry if you can hear yelling in the background. By the way, I'm not 100% sure, but I think you can dig up trees, and there'll be some in the ground. But there's only one way to find out. Let's try. Ooh, I'm running low on oxygen. Sorry. I'll test that in a sec. And fill up on oxygen. Oh, look, there's a tree. Let's see if there is things underneath the world. Hello? Anything there? Any research there? Nope. Maybe on a different one. Hello? Any research here? No. Huh. Looks like there isn't. Huh. Okay, so we have to get more research. I spy with my little eye something that begins with research. Ooh. Let's see. Oh, by the way, if you want to put it, doesn't seem like this anymore. But let's quickly examine. Click it on. And it's always safe to go in here if you want to learn stuff. So I think I figured it out. Aha! There you go. So let's hold Q. Wait. Let's hold Q and see what we got in here. So once this reaches 500, I'll learn it. So come on. 490. Come on. Learn. We did it, guys. Got it. So, let's see what we can do next. Exit. So, if we go to our medium fabricator, research chamber, large port from A, smelter. So we need 2 resin. So we need, guys, we need to get some resin. And I have no idea where to find that. That you can also get oxygen in this. Yeah, this, as you can see here, if you get some of this, oh, and this is what I was talking about, caves. I just still don't understand. Oh, balls. What? Oh, resin. Yes, this is good. So, as you can see, oh, aluminium. Oh, damn it. Give me a sec. Get out of here. Get out of here. So, you. Aluminium. So let's get some resin. So let's head back to base, home base, as you can say, before we run out of H2O. Actually, that's water. O2. And we're back. So, large platform A, craft. So once we finish this, we can put the smelter on there. Where do we put the smelter though? I'll put it over here. Yeah, over here. Ooh, oh, it's night. It's so cool how that detects us at night. It's so cool. I haven't seen a sandstorm yet. Let me know if you see a sandstorm in your gameplay if you try to play this. By the way, also let me know what I should play on Friday, because I will also be doing Fan Choice Friday. So tell me what you want to do on Friday and I will do it. So you better tell me now. Otherwise you won't have a chance. It's almost finished, guys. It's almost finished. Watch this. If I point it at that, it says E for enter. That's so cool. I figured out why it's not working. So, and it should turn into a beautiful box. Why do you think they turn into a box? Oh, great. Put you there. Put you there. E to untap. Wait, I'm pretty sure. Oh, research smelter, mineral extractor. Yeah, let's get this. Yeah. Researched mineral extractor. Oh look, we're getting 150 a second. So everything we learn, we get faster. Okay, that's good. So let's see, let's get out. So let's see. So, large platform, smelter. Let's go. Tethers. We'll craft some tethers too out of ourselves. Oh, by the way, if you want to place a tether, where do we run out of oxygen? Here, so watch. If I place a tether here, it all links to that tether, so I can just go on. Cool, right? So you have an infinite supply, so let's put one here. because we want to make sure the space is lit up and make sure this whole base has oxygen for me. So we are doing a lot of stuff. So if we go back to here, we can. We have tons, basically. So that means we can get a lot of things. So once I got this, we can start smelting some stuff. Speaking of stuff, why do I feel like I hear a sandstorm? Okay, so here we go. Oh, by the way, if you want to control your camera, just do your right mouse button. Oh, I placed it the wrong way. Who cares? Loading power. So, speaking of minerals, extractors, so you have been learnt. Let's get out of this and go here. Let's see. So, Q to examine. Smelter, mineral extractor, 2 compound. Why is everything so cheap? Oh, because this. Yeah, so it costs 2 resin and 2 compound. So we'll have an infinite amount of resin if I get 2 more. Because it will always have. So we'll always have infinite amount of resin and compound and all that other stuff. Oh, by the way, we just need soil. And by the way, we need because for the vehicle bay we need aluminium. And I have 1 handy dandy at hand. Hey, let's see. Aluminium, not needed. Smelting copper. Oh, isn't copper malachite? Yeah, it's like already smelted. There you go. Soil, resource, full. There you go. So now I'm full of soil. I don't need anything else. So that soil is the thing that powers it. Hey, that's weird. Didn't it set over there? Oh, it's like just look. Time passes fast on this planet. I must be on the move always. Okay, I'm gonna check out what this is because who knows? What could it be? Okay, I'll get some research. I don't really need all that much research. What are you? What is this? How are you doing this? Oh, by the way, if you put your thing too far away, so I need some more resin. Wow. Resin, resin, resin. Who knew you needed so much resin for everything? Ooh, resin. Thanks. And also, you will start suffocating. So quickly, let's head back home. Otherwise, we'll die. And also say 25 seconds. Yeah. And yeah. Regen. Look at all that oxygen. That's a lot of oxygen. So, we've got resin. Large platform. Mineral extractor. Smelter. Large platform A. So we'll need one of these. So we'll let that go. So the first thing we'll need to extract is resin, tons of resin. Now we need compound. Compound. Because compound is the one thing we need, and we need a lot of it. Hey, it's right over here. How handy. Right at hand, compound. So, once you get up to this stage, where you have the mineral extracted, all your worries, and you have a mineral, all your worries will go away in 10 seconds, hopefully. That's enough compartments. Ooh, we're running low on oxygen. Let's go back. So, we'll take this. Ooh. That noise, as you can see, means sandstorm coming. Yeah, and it's coming right in this direction, huh? Is it? Hopefully it isn't. So those sandstorms are dangerous. Finally get to experience what a sandstorm looks like. Look how high those go up to. Things are starting to turn a little bit purple. I'll let it go for a little bit. I'm getting so many points from this. So, I think now that you've seen what a sandstorm is, what it can do, I will end the episode here. See you later, people, for more Astroneer awesomeness. Remember to subscribe. Slap a like on that like button, and also hit notifications so you can not miss any daily content. See you for another video. Goodbye.